Hey everyone! Today we're going on an epic journey, a journey into the mysterious, beautiful, and slightly terrifying world of Java. That's right, we're not going to jump straight into coding just yet. No typing out int x equals 5 or anything like that. Instead, we're going to take a step back and really understand what Java is all about. Now, if you're thinking, wait, we're not coding today? Don't worry. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be chomping at the bit to get coding because once you understand the magic behind Java, it's going to blow your mind. You'll be like, Java, where have you been all my life? Or Java, why didn't I start this sooner? But first, let's answer the burning question. What even is Java? Is it just coffee for programmers? Spoiler alert, no, it's not a cup of espresso, although you'll probably need one once we really get going. First up, Java is literally everywhere. And I mean everywhere. You probably used Java today without even realizing it. Ever opened an app on your phone? Yep, that's Java. Ever watched Netflix for hours on end like a champion? Java's right there, making sure your shows don't crash in the middle of that epic plot twist. Java's like the quiet ninja that's working behind the scenes, running our digital world, and you didn't even know it. Now, I know what you're thinking. But isn't learning a programming language like learning Klingon? Isn't this going to be painful? Relax, I got you. We're not jumping into complicated stuff like variables, loops, and objects right away. Instead, we're going to get to know Java like it's our new best friend. We're going to figure out what makes it tick, where it's used, and why it's so important. Think of this video as the first date with Java. We're going to find out if Java has a sense of humor, what its favorite movies are, and why it's the most popular language in the room. Because before you can code like a boss, you got to know why Java's such a big deal, right? All right, so grab your coffee or, your Java, sit back, and let's go deep into the world of Java. Trust me, once we're done, you'll be itching to start coding, and you might even name your next pet Java. That's how cool it is. So without further ado, let's answer the big question. What is Java? Why is it so loved by developers around the world? And most importantly, why should you care? Spoiler alert, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with something you probably use every day, your phone. If you've got an Android phone, chances are Java is running your favorite apps. That's because Java is the primary language used for Android app development. But why? Well, Android chose Java because it's easy to write, it's portable, and it's secure. With Java, developers can write code once and deploy it across a ton of different devices without worrying about the specific hardware. This portability is what makes it the perfect choice for mobile development. You see, computers don't speak our language, they speak in ones and zeros, called binary code. And let's be real, none of us want to write a message like 0110011 when we could just say hello. That's where Java comes in. Java acts like a universal translator, kind of like in those sci-fi movies where humans talk to aliens. Java takes the instructions we write in a way that's understandable to us and turns them into something the computer can understand. It's like we're giving the computer a nice, clear set of instructions without all the mumbo-jumbo of ones and zeros. And because Java's so good at this whole translation thing, it's used everywhere. Phones, websites, games, and even in outer space. Yep, NASA uses Java too. So if a Mars rover can run on Java, trust me, you can figure out how to make a simple app with it. So, there you have it, folks. Java isn't just that random name you see when your apps crash. It's the superhero of programming languages, turning confusing binary code into something we can all understand and use. Whether you're building a game, launching a Mars rover, or simply getting your favorite cat videos to load faster, Java is everywhere. But hold on to your keyboards, because we're just getting started. Up next, we're diving into the big leagues, how Java is running the show behind some of the world's largest businesses and enterprises. Spoiler alert, Java's kind of a big deal. Let's go.